Hello gorgeous fam, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chichi. I'm a mom YouTuber based here in Germany, and in this platform, you all know I do skincare product review, talk about beauty, lifestyle, and lots more. So guys, today is a quick one. I just got this product I've used for some time now. I've been using for some time and I decided to share with you guys because this product is amazing. There might be someone out there wanting to get this kind of product, but are not sure if they're gonna get it. So if you want to see this product, sit back and enjoy this video. So my lovelies, the product I want to talk to you guys is the Garnier. Ta-da! This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Peeling Water Solution. So this peeling solution, it's very mild. If you are this person that has sensitive skin and you don't like to use something harsh on your skin like the ordinary glycolic acid for peeling, for exfoliating. If you guys don't know, peeling is another name, or will I say it, another method of, it's another name for exfoliating. Yeah, if you don't want to say exfoliating, you can say peeling, like the Germans they write peeling instead of exfoliation. So this helps to take off your dead skin cells, take off your makeup, help you to clean your lips, your eyes. This is very good. It's so mild. And I recently got this one. This one is very different from the normal Garnier micellar water. This is a peeling solution. It contains 1% PHA plus glycolic acid, and we all know the importance of PHA and the glycolic acid. They are very good to take off dead skin cells, to brighten up your skin and to give you that glow on your skin. So this is so nice. Normally I use the ordinary glycolic acid, but I stopped using it for a very long time. After using 2 bottles or 3 bottles, I find out that it's a little much harsh on my skin, so I have to stop it. And when I saw this one, I didn't hesitate to grab it, so I grabbed this one. And yeah, I'm using it for some time and I'm loving it, how it feels on my skin. So how to use this is written here that you don't have to rinse this off. Yeah, you don't need to rinse this off. It's like a facial toner, so you can use this to wipe your makeup up, or remove your makeup first, take your bath and use this as a facial toner and let it sit on the skin. So for me, I normally take it off most times because I use this before I cleanse my face with the CeraVe cleanser. So how do I use this? When I have makeup on my face, or even if I don't have makeup on my face, after a long day with sunscreen and everything, I just go ahead and use my cotton pad and dab some of this in the cotton pad, just to spread over my chin, my face, on the place I tend to break out more. So I use this and I allow it to dry, to sit a little bit. Then I go in and cleanse my face with my CeraVe foaming cleanser. Then I go take my bath and apply my facial cream, my night cream on my face. So I normally use this during the PM. I don't know. I don't use this during the AM. I don't know if it will be good for the AM because of the glycolic acid. So anything that has to do with peeling, guys, you should know that it is made for night time. It is meant for the PM because PM there is no sun during the night. That night time there is no sun that's going to damage your skin. And after using this during the night, don't forget to wear your sunscreen during the day. So always wear your sunscreen 30%, the minimum of 30%, SPF of 30, and the maximum you can go ahead and use 50 plus, and so on and so forth. So but don't forget to put on your sunscreen at least 30. SPF of 30 is mild on the skin. So guys, that is what I have for you guys today. This is very nice. We want to give it a try. This is not just the normal Garnier micellar water. This contains some active ingredient, and that's why I get it to give it a try. It's very nice, and it's written here for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Sogar effortliche Haut genannt. Yeah, it's meant for all skin types, so go give it a try. A little more expensive than the normal one. Let me show you guys the normal one so you see the difference. This is the one I was using before, the Garnier Skin Active. This is empty actually. The Garnier Skin Active Vitamin C, all-in-one Vitamin C. And this is the one I was using before, guys. This is also nice. I wouldn't tell you lie. This one is also nice on the skin, guys. It's also nice on the skin, but I just got this one. I'm loving it, guys. So tell me if you're gonna try this in the comment section. It's just a quick one to show you guys my new what I started using recently. So in another video, I'll be showing you guys all I use for my skincare in the morning and all I use for my skin in the my skincare routine, all the product I use in the PM, the AM and the PM. I will do a separate video. I'll show you guys because I have a request of that video. So I'll show you guys the things I use in the AM and the things skincare I use in the PM. So thank you guys for always stopping by. I love you guys. Thank you to my old and new subscribers. You guys are amazing. You guys are lovely. Without you guys, there will not be a Chichi Beauty World here. So thank you for always stopping by. I love you guys. See you guys in my next one. So let me take a closer look. Take a closer look. You can do a screenshot if you want to get this. Just do a screenshot. This has an orange lid, while the other ones, one has the yellow, the blue, the green. But this new one, this is a new additive from the Garnier, new addition. Sorry, they got this yeah, they got this orange lid, and the container is like orange also, and orange, they use orange to write something here also. So you know, when you go to the drugstore shop to get this, less than €5, guys. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Stay blessed and stay beautiful until I come your way next time.